All right, so this is the second video for this lesson, and on this one we're going to be calculating a variable commission on a variable commission scale, meaning the more you sell, the higher your commission. So we have to break down the total sales. In this case, looking at this chart over here, we get 2% up to 80,000, 3.5% from above 80,000 to 100,000, and then 4% on anything over 100,000. Okay, so let's break this down. First, we're going to have $80,000 for the first amount. So we'll be figuring at a 2% rate. And then from 80 to 100,000, and this is 110, right? So we're going to have $20,000. And that's at a 3.5. Remember, we're always going to change our percents to decimals for calculation purposes. And then over 100,000 is $10,000. So we'll do 10,000 at 4%. Okay, so once again, you just get your calculator out and calculate these things. So the 80,000 times 2% is going to be 1,600. And then 20,000 times 3.5% is 700. And then 10,000 times 4% is 400. So we have a total then of $2,700 in commission. And so commission for gross earnings are going to be $2,700. Now notice this one didn't say anything about a draw or a salary or anything. So it's just on the straight commission figuring out the gross pay. All right, here's the next one. Whoops. Okay, so I had to fix my little glitchy stuff. I don't have any idea why that happens, but anyway, when it shows a blank slide, I have to save it, get out of it, get back into it. It's a little silly. Okay, Robin earns $550 per week plus 4% of sales over $6,000. Robin's sales are $15,000 and she had returns of $160. How much does Robin earn? Okay, so this is a more complicated type of commission question. And so you just have to be careful with this. First of all, when you are in sales, there are going to be returns. People change their mind. They bring things back. Even if you're selling a service of some, say insurance or something, then, they change their mind. They don't want that now. And so this just happens when you're a salesperson. And so it might be the returns from the previous month even, it kind of just depends on the timing, but you don't get paid on anything that is returned, okay? And so you're going to take the $15,000 and subtract the returns because you have to take that out of your sales. And that's $14,840. And then it says she makes 4% of sales over $6,000. So that means that we have to take out the $6,000 and that's going to be what she gets paid commission on. So we take the $14,840 and subtract 6,000. And then this remaining amount is what she gets paid commission on, right? So the 8,840, and she gets paid at a rate of 4% commission, right, for oversells of $6,000. Now, what kind of happens here is, she's getting paid a salary. So the salary is part of her pay, commission's the other part, and that's probably why they do that where it's over the $6,000. And so her commission is $353.60. Now, this question said, how much does Robin earn? And so basically, how much does she earn per week, or how much does she earn in this week? And that means we're going to add her salary because a salary doesn't go against the commission. It's not in advance. It is the amount of money that you'll make And then anything you sell gets added to that, which that's where you can make more money. So you basically add those together, right? And then that is how much she earned for the week, right? $903.60. Oh, I guess that was the end of that. I was like, oh, I thought there was one more slide. Anyway, okay, so we'll end this lesson, and there's different types of questions to practice. I don't always cover every single thing on my videos. And so if you come up against a question like, well, I didn't see this on the video, you can always ask me questions about it, because so many of these are word problems, it would be impossible for me to do everything. All right, so I just encourage you to practice, 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 and get good at all of these concepts that you're learning.